Alrighty, so now let's go ahead and set up the entity relationships between customer, order item, and address. So we can see here that a customer has 0 to many orders. An order can have a shipping address and a billing address, and also an order has a collection of order items. So we'll start with order and order items. So an order has a collection of order items. So I can move into this order class, and first I'll define a field here for order items. So I'll just make it a collection, a set. And then I'll define the relationship here, one to many. So cascade type of all and mapped by order. That's the order field that we'll add to the order items in the next section. We'll also add a convenience method here for adding order items to the given order. So this is just a convenience method. We could use it in the future if we needed it. So the first thing I do is just make sure that item's not equal to null. And also check my order items collection. Make sure that's not null. If it is, I'll go ahead and create a new one. Now go ahead and add this item to order items. And then I'll also do an item.setOrder this, just so we have the bidirectional relationship set up. So now item.setOrder this. Okay, that means in my order item class, I need to define a reference or a field for order. Okay, no problem. Let's move over to order item. And let's define this field for order. So the order item has a reference back to the order that it's associated with. Alrighty, so that's in place. And then swing back over to order and strange, it's still telling us that we have an issue here with this set order. And Lombok should give us a setter method for free since we're using the @setter. Let's look at order item and go to the top. @setter. Yeah, that should be okay. Huh. That's interesting. I think I know what's up. I forgot to configure this IDE, IntelliJ, for Lombok support. Okay, that's what's up. All right. So this is a fresh install of IntelliJ. I need to get it up to speed. So let me go into my IntelliJ preferences. And I'll move down to the build section. So that's build, execution, deployment. And then move down to the compiler and choose annotation processors because this is required because Lombok does some special magic annotations and so forth. So we simply enable that. All right, but we're not done. There's one more thing we need to do. We actually need to install the Lombok plugin. So let's move over to plugins. And in the center section here, we just type in Lombok. And grab that Lombok entry. And then over here on the right, we click the install button. So now this should resolve the issue. So let's swing back over to our code, and yay, Lumbox in action. So it may take a bit for everything to catch up, but eventually here you'll have everything being okay. So we're good with that. All right, good job.